In this video, we'll explore the key responsibilities of a SQL Server Database Administrator, also known as a DBA. The DBA installs SQL Server, configures instances, applies cumulative updates and service packs, and manages SQL services. They create and manage databases, design tables, perform CRUD operations, and handle security with users, roles, and permissions. A DBA ensures data safety through full differential and transaction log backups and restores when needed. They perform migrations and upgrades either in place or side by side to keep systems up to date. For business continuity, DBAs implement high availability and disaster recovery solutions like log shipping, database mirroring, replication, failover clustering, and always-on availability groups. Finally, DBAs continuously monitor performance, troubleshoot issues, perform health checks, and run scheduled maintenance tasks daily, weekly, and monthly. That's a quick overview of SQL Server DBA responsibilities. Subscribe for more database and cloud tutorials.